Hey everyone, my name is Elida. I'm the brand manager at Internet on Furniture. Today we'll be looking at an unboxing and setup video for the Nebula work desk. Let's get started. While you're unboxing, if you're using a very sharp object like I am, be sure not to push it in too deep into the box in order not to damage the legs or the table itself. So let's review what we have in the box. We have the table itself, the two legs, and a bag with all of the screws and the Allen key you'll need to set up the table itself. There's a total of 16 screws that you'll need to use and one Allen key that will work with all of them. Let's start building. We're going to start by placing the legs on the diagonal holes that you see here. So grab one of them and align the holes on the legs with the holes that you see on the table. Once the holes are aligned, we grab 8 screws and place them in each of the holes. You can screw them in a little by hand, but you don't have to do it all the way by hand. You can use the Allen key for the rest. Once you're done with the first leg, you can move on to the second leg and repeat the exact same steps. Align the holes, place the screws in, and then tighten them. Before I move on to that, I want to talk about this part here. This is the most fragile part of the table. It's not a regular table that we're talking about. This is a smart table. So it contains an electronic card and an adapter inside the box. The electronic card is connected to the strip lights that you see on the table that work with 12 volts. You can change the colors of the strip LEDs with the app that we have. I'll show you how to do that later on. The adapter, though, connects the current to the electronic card and the strip LEDs. It converts the voltage from 110 or 220 back to 12 volts that the strip LEDs need. So this part really shouldn't be tampered with. It should only be opened by Internet on Furniture staff or our engineers. So if there's any issue with the whole system, let us know and we'll try to help you as fast as we can. I'm done screwing the second leg in. Now we can flip over the table. You'll probably need some help with this part. Moni, can you help me with this? Okay. Hold the leg, the corner. There you go. Sit down. Now we're gonna turn it around. Perfect. Okay, so the next step is to plug in the table to turn on the lights. Let's take the tape off and then plug the cord into an outlet and turn on the switch. It'll light up once to tell you that it's connected to the electricity. Now that the table is set up and plugged in, let's download the IoF Control app on our phone to control the system's lights. We'll show you how to download IoF Control from the App Store and use it on an iPhone. Go on your App Store and search for IoF Control. It should be the first one that pops up. Click Get or Download. The same steps apply if you're using an Android device like Samsung on the Google Play Store. Once it's downloaded, tap Open. The app will ask for permission to use Bluetooth. This is how we connect our app to the system in the table, so you need to allow access for it to work. The login page will display on the app. Tap on Sign Up and register with your email and a password that you choose. Be assured that your login credentials will be kept safe on our servers as encrypted user data and will not be shared with any third parties for any purpose. Once you've registered, log into the app with your email and password. Then check if your Bluetooth is turned on. If it's not, then turn it on. Back on the main page, click on Zenith, then on Serendipity. The Nebula should appear directly under Serendipity automatically. Tap on Connect to Device, and now you can control the lights under your table. You can turn them on and try different colors underneath. You can only connect one device to the Nebula at once for security reasons. So if you would like to control the lights from another device, download the app following the same steps above to that device, disconnect Nebula from the first one, and check if Bluetooth is turned on for the second device and connect from that one. We often push new updates to the app, so don't forget to download the new versions to gain access to new functionalities and bug fixes. If the app doesn't work on your device, it might be because your device's system protocol isn't recognized by the app. This is an easy fix. Just drop us a message and we'll get back to you. Congratulations, you now have yourself a genuinely smart table, the Nebula. If you have any questions or issues, please feel free to comment below or contact us at info@internetonfurniture.com.